Hey everyone, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another Tips from Tiffany. So today we are going to talk a little bit about port safety. We were talking a little bit about it on our live chat and somebody mentioned to do a tips, so we're doing a tips. So the first thing I would tell you to do is to do a little bit of research about the ports that you're going to. You can always Google these ports and look up the different kinds of crimes that they have, pickpocketing, scams, different things like that, robberies. You can find all of that on Google. Also, I would say try to travel in groups if possible, either excursions, use the buddy system. If you are going to go out on your own, just be cautious and be very aware of your surroundings, who's around you, what's going on. Also, you want to take a photocopy of your passport, not the actual passport. That way, if something does happen, they just have the photocopy and you still have your actual passport. I think the biggest tip that we can take is don't dress flashy. Don't wear your name brand clothes. Try to fit in. Try to blend in. Don't take your designer purses, your designer backpacks. Don't wear jewelry. Try to take all your jewelry off. Don't be flashy with the jewelry. The criminals are going to look for those kind of things just because they believe all Americans are wealthy. Also, if you carry money or cards, you want to try and keep those in your front pockets, not your back pockets. Men, don't carry your wallet in your back pocket. That is an easy way for pickpocketers to get your stuff. I generally take and put some cash and maybe one card and I hide it in our first aid kit and then I bury it down in the bottom of my backpack. So ladies and guys, another helpful tip is you want to use a crossbody bag, not an over-the-shoulder bag. Crossbody bag, you can generally put the main part of it up front and you have access to it at all times. While doing research, I did come across articles that said try not to use the fanny packs. I know they're convenient and comfortable, but they did say try not to use the fanny packs, to definitely use the crossbody bags. You don't want to use the over-the-shoulder bag because those are easily, you can grab and run and you never knew what hit you. If you carry a backpack, you want to put all your valuables in the bigger area of the backpack and then also kind of bury them. Like I said, I hide some cash and one of my cards in my little first aid kit here, and then I do bury it in the bottom under clothes or towels or water bottles so that I still have access to it if I'm purchasing something, but somebody can't just reach in and grab what they think is a wallet or anything like that. They're not going to realize that it's in my first aid kit. Also, if possible, you want to get a lock for your backpack, just something small to fit in the zippers. Now the backpack I use, I did check, it does not, there's no way to put a lock on there, but we have never had a problem, but there's always that one time. You also want to let your bank know that you are going to be in these port of calls. That way when you use your debit card or credit card, they don't think it's a fraud. You also, now I found this one very interesting. I never would have thought, but you know, I don't think like a criminal. But you want to be very careful of scams. I was researching and come across a story where the locals are getting a hold of uniforms from the cruise lines, cabin steward uniforms, and they'll come up to you and they'll say, hey, you know, I'm friends with your room steward. I do the rooms a few doors down in the hallway, and I've seen you in the hallway. If there's anything you'd like, you know, rum or tequila or just food or anything like that, give me the cash and I will go get it for you because I'm going to be heading back on board here soon, and I'll have all of that stuff. I'll give it to your room steward and it'll be in your room waiting for you when you get back. You give them the cash, you never see the items or that person again. I would have never thought that would have happened. But common sense, the room stewards are not going to be out on their breaks in asking to do favors like that for you. So just be aware of scams that could happen easily like that. I would say the biggest takeaway from all of this is have fun on your excursions, have fun in the ports, Just be aware of your surroundings and have fun. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, definitely give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. That way you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope you have enjoyed today's video and have a great rest of your day and an awesome week, and we will see you out on the high seas.